Even though it's the end of the first quarter of 2015, there are still many compliance issues ahead on the horizon for human resources professionals. It seems that every agency that administers and enforces employment laws are very active in many ways. First of all, the EEOC is involved in reviewing cases of systemic discrimination that is widespread even in a company or an industry. The EEOC is also focusing on pregnancy discrimination to make sure that our employers are following the guidelines of the Pregnancy Discrimination Act. The Department of Labor is very active. There have been additional auditors added to staff that allows the DOL to focus on issues such as classifications, making sure that employers are classifying employees properly as exempt, non-exempt, or as an independent contractor. The Fair Credit Reporting Act, which requires that employers provide information to applicants and employees when making an adverse decision based on credit information, making sure that those employers are properly notifying those individuals ahead of taking that adverse action. The Office of Federal Compliance Contracts Program is also looking at compensation, making sure that men and women in similar jobs are being paid equitably. Finally, we're expecting some rulings from the Supreme Court. There's a case currently that will involve religious garb and dress code. The Abercrombie and Fitch case ruling is expected later this year. And then, of course, the Affordable Care Act, which has gotten lots of publicity. The Supreme Court is expected to rule on that at the end of their session in 2015. On the next Tuesday tip, I'll share some updates of the Family and Medical Leave Act.